Okay, so here's the thing. I almost never talk about shortcuts and tricks, but I'm going to make an exception today. Most guys get this wrong, and if you know this one thing, you're well ahead of other guys. This trick is about how to make a woman like you instantly. It's something Rake had taught me, but I'm not going to talk about Shogun Method here. If you're interested, then go Google Shogun Method after this video. For now, pay attention here because this is important. Whenever someone asks me, Fredo, how do I make a woman like me? Here's my answer. Tell a beautiful woman she's smart, and a smart woman she's beautiful. I'm going to repeat that again because it's important. Tell a beautiful woman she's smart, and a smart woman she's beautiful. You can say this to a woman directly, but as Shogun Method had taught me, it's better to do it indirectly. Remember, with a woman, it's all about feelings. Factual information does nothing for them. Love is 100% on emotions, and 0 on facts. Few guys understand this. So here's the thing. The key is to make a beautiful woman feel smart, and a smart woman feel beautiful. Now, here's an example. Let's say you're interested in a beautiful woman, and she's a connoisseur of Italian cuisine. Say something like, "You seem to know a lot about Italian food. I love pasta, and I wonder if you can help me. How do you cook lasagna perfectly every time? Mine turns soggy real quick." Or, if she's a smart woman, pick a unique physical feature and comment positively on it. The key here is uniqueness. Don't use a lazy, generic praise like "you're pretty." Pick something that's usually not noticed by anyone, especially by a guy. Make sense? Okay, so here's the summary. To make a woman like you, this is the only thing you must do. Tell a beautiful woman she's smart, and a smart woman she's beautiful. Understanding this point will bring you a long way. Trust me on this. It's one of the biggest hacks of the psychology of the female mind, second only to fractionation. Now, here's the kicker though. Doing this will trigger her interest in you, but it won't be enough. You need to sustain and build on that interest, and you can do that with fractionation. Learn how to do that inside Rake's free Fractionation Masterclass. Go to fractionationhypnosis.com or click the link in the video description below.